Bombay. I come from a city called Hyderabad, and from the time I saw the notification KC College, first I didn't know what is KC College. Of course, I saw Mumbai and Bombay are one and the same. I came to know. From that time, I was troubling Shastri Madam, Uma Madam, and Sejal Madam with so many cell phone calls. I want to come to Bombay. I want to come to Bombay. I want to come to Bombay. They got fed up. They told, please don't call. Then what happened? Then my mother and father who are also very much interested to come to Bombay. But when I come to Bombay, how I come to Bombay or how I come to Indralok, I don't know. Here almost everything, the beauty of the boys, the beauty of the girls, everything captivates us. And as far as the conference is concerned, I thought Kishantan Chelaram College must be a small college, but wow, it's great. It really takes away your soul, and I just love you all guys. I love KC College, and I hope